YouTube Shorts, are they effective? Should you stick to long form content? Well, in this video, I actually got to sit down with a YouTuber who has 6 billion views on his 4 channels. And I asked him, what does he think about YouTube Shorts? Are they effective? Should you do them? Should you not? What are your general thoughts? So in this video, go ahead and like it if you like YouTube Shorts. I'm gonna ask him, what does he think? Get his take, because if he has 6 billion views, we should probably be listening to him. Unless you have more than 6 billion views, then you should probably comment below and give your strategy. Enjoy the video. Bonus content. I want to ask you this. We had this, not even a debate. I just asked you this. What do you think about it? I think this is going around in YouTube land, is long form videos versus the shorts. I kind of told you what I thought about it, but I'm a rookie. I'm inconsistent. And I was saying, all right, from somebody who has successful channels, them implementing this, what are your thoughts on the shorts versus the long format? Because I know people are having this debate and talking about it, so I'm just curious what you think about it.
I think both long form and short form can be a great way to grow a channel. It just depends on what you like doing, what you think you're good at. I personally think long form, you'll end up making more money. You'll learn different styles and techniques and skills. But with short form, you're gonna potentially be more creative, get more videos out there. For views wise, you can definitely gain more views, gain more impressions through shorts. Long form, you're gonna wanna focus on a little bit better quality over time. But with shorts, you can make as many as you want, as fast as you want.
Like the unlimited quantity.
Yeah, unlimited quantity. And they can bring almost unlimited amount of views. I, myself, and people I know have videos in the 200s or 200 million views plus. Multiple videos over 100 million views. So if you're starting a new channel, I would recommend trying out shorts, and I would mix in long form as well. But if you currently have a channel that has, I don't know, maybe you have 10,000 subscribers, I probably wouldn't recommend doing shorts because it might mess with your long form views. But you can try it out if you want to. I personally have separate channels for long form and short form, and then if I do want to make long form videos on those short form, I can easily do that, and vice versa. But yeah, if you're starting out, I think shorts is a great way to start out and to learn. I wouldn't expect to make as much money as other YouTubers, but I think it's a great way to learn and grow a channel.
Well, if you stuck around this long in a video, hey, go ahead and check out his channel. We'll put it here. Put the links below. Like this one. Comment below. What do you think your best advice for the YouTube community is to grow a channel? Appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video.